5 WD-40 hacks every driver needs. Most of us have a blue and yellow can of WD-40 sitting in the shed. It's a proper lifesaver for your car if you use it right. Here is how to apply it like a pro. Hack 1. Shifting stuck bolts. Rust and road salt love to seize up your suspension bolts. First, brush off any loose, crusty bits from the thread. Give the bolt a proper soak from a few different angles. Now, here is the most important part. Don't touch it for at least 15 minutes. You need to let that fluid creep deep into the joint.
Ako môžem podporiť tento kanál? Daj like na toto video. Prihlás sa k odberu kanála.
If it's really jammed, just give it another spray and wait again. It beats snapping a bolt and ruining your afternoon. Hack 2. Removing road tar. Sticky tar spots look awful on your shiny paintwork. Don't try and scrub them off, or you'll scratch the finish. Spray a little WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth instead. Gently wipe the area and watch the tar just melt away. It's much safer than using a scraper. Always wash the area with soapy water afterwards. This protects your paint from any oily residue.
Nainštaluj si aplikáciu Autodoc. Ušetri peniaze pri nákupe náhradných dielov.
Hack 3. Removing old stickers. Those old parking permits leave a messy glue residue. Spray some WD-40 over the sticker and the edges. Give it a few minutes to work its magic on the adhesive. The sticker should peel away in one go without a fight. Use a cloth to wipe away any leftover sticky bits. It's the easiest way to keep your glass and paint clean. Hack 4. Winter door protection. There is nothing worse than a frozen door on a cold morning. If you haven't got silicone spray, this is a great quick fix. Put a small amount on a rag and wipe your rubber seals. It stops water from sitting there and freezing the door shut. It's a temporary win, but it'll get you to work on time. Hack 5. Sorting stiff cables. Is your bonnet or boot lever feeling a bit heavy? That usually means the inner cable has seized up. Find the end of the cable near the latch mechanism. Spray it right where the wire enters the outer sheath. Pull the lever a few times to work the lubricant inside. It will restore that smooth feel and prevent the cable from snapping. That is how you use WD-40 like a proper mechanic. Just remember to keep it well away from your brake discs. What is your favorite use for a can of WD-40? Let us know your best maintenance secrets in the comments.